Blocking someone on Google Calendar can help you manage your schedule and privacy. Follow these steps to effectively block someone from viewing your calendar. Step 1. Open Google Calendar. Access Google Calendar by visiting calendar.google.com in your web browser or opening the app on your device. Make sure you are logged into your Google account. Step 2. Locate the calendar settings. In the left sidebar, find the calendar you want to adjust. Hover over the calendar name, click on the 3 vertical dots options menu, and select Settings and Sharing. Step 3. Adjust sharing settings. Scroll down to the Share with Specific People section. Here, you will see a list of people who have access to your calendar. Find the person you want to block. Step 4. Remove access. Next to the person's name, click on the X or Remove option to revoke their access to your calendar. This will prevent them from viewing your calendar events. Step 5. Save changes. Make sure to save any changes if prompted. Your calendar is now updated, and the person you blocked will no longer have access to view your events. By following these steps, you can easily manage who has access to your Google Calendar and maintain your privacy.